JJ Manangit, Val Acuna, and Nico Elorda, veteran-laden squad. As Val Acuna rings the bell to start the game.
Sa South Cotabato.
Enzo Hoson, best player in the last game. Enzo gets away and lays it in for two.
Well, Enzo, you know,
he looks more and more comfortable dito sa South Cotabato as JJ Manlangit knocks down the... That won't go. That ball was deflected. Hoson, 2 points.
Komportable na nga talaga si have the same output from fast breaks, roughly about 15-16 points per game.
And Subre gets his own miss and puts it in for two. It's Jervy Cruz against JJ Manlangit. Jervy, jumper is good.
Yeah, much as we talk about Jervy Cruz, be it on the elbow, be it on the low block, you call it, he's a guy that can actually do it.
On all alone, three, short, offensive rebound. Enzo gets it to Jammer. Yes, that was unforgivable.
Yeah, I mean, you can't allow.
They go down low to Amito, back to Val. 5 on the shot clock. Val Acuna against Kalahat. To the corner, Jervy Cruz. Yes.
Defensive teams, you know, really just a matter of strategy and schemes.
Heruta will fire. That's good.
There you go. Let's see Heruta.
Cervantes against Dumapig. Cervantes with a strong move. Heruta, binigay kay Cervantes. Libre si Kalahat sa labas. But basket and one para dito kay Real Cervantes.
Oh, and really just forcing it.
Completes the three-point play. Here's Dumapig. Tolentino for three.
Yeah.
Yes. Kyle Tolentino, we're following that.
Yes.
And one thing's for sure, he's really a much improved player on the defensive end.
Yes, that thing too. Defensively, I think that's
has moved to Nueva Ecija. There's Gabby Espinas with a turnaround shot.
And that's where Gabin there.
Dumapig, set shot, wala. Hoson picks it up and puts it in. Tino, end of the first quarter score is brought to you by GameX Sports. Siya, kung hindi na siya umangat. Sanga for three. Yes.
Yeah. And that's just a breath of fresh air for the guy to help space out the floor in the shaded area.
And Cervantes. And points to the section.
Defensively, we talked about it. They're up there. They're number one. How about that shot by Real? Pareho rin ang hairstyle. Magkaiba lang kulay.
Inside, Real Cervantes. Sanga, quick trigger. Yes.
We talk about
Cervantes. Binabatay ni Farito's got 2 fouls. Real with a step back jumper.
Oh, man. Wow. Shot. Defensive team here for South Cotabato.
Jammer Hamito finally gets that one to drop.
At hindi naging madali. Yung una-unang they got caught.
Manangit thought about it. This time takes it and makes it. Marvin Jonicio for three. That rims out. Dumapig inside. Yes.
And so far that
Dumapig. Fajarito fires and hits. Event as well.
Exactly.
His halftime score is brought to you by GameX Sports. Espinas will pull up. That's good.
So
Jonicio will fire. That's good.
Yeah. In the same way, that guy's always going to be in range from three. You know, defensive player na doon nag-feed off yung offense niya.
That's true. Hoson, yes. Enzo Hoson ties the game at 38-11.
South Cotabato gets shooters outside. And Rail says, I can knock that one too.
Binawi agad ni Real Cervantes. Junicio. Tolentino on the handoff. Pajarito fires a three.
Yeah. Na may pass back after that feed to the post.
Liu with a teardrop. I thought Neruta looking for a way through. Cervantes down low. There's a mismatch and it scores.
Well, that
rebound nakuha ni Marwin Junicio.
yeah, kasi si Nico would always push the possession, other way.
And medyo na-relieve mo si Hoson of the point guard duties.
Correct.
Junicio to Pajarito puts the ball on the deck. Christian Pajarito with a pretty finish.
Oh, without a doubt.
Game. He's come alive with 7 here in the quarter. Liu, the Hesse. Liu with a finish. The turnover. Acuna. No finish. Hamito is there. And Jammer scores from in close. Acuna nakabantay. Tayong Tong. Off-balance shot. Won't go. Kalahat. With an acrobat.
After ma-turnover yun. Sige, kalimutan na natin. Depensa tayo ulit.
Tolentino scores underneath. Tied at 54.
Yeah, full stop.
Just the third deadlock of the ball game. Kalahat from the corner. That's good.
Swing the other way.
6 straight points para kay Kalahat. Pajarito from the three-point line.
Man.
Christian Pajarito.
Na talk about impact, he's 3 out of 6 from 3 points. That's 50% for the big guy.
Tayong Tong. Another 25 points in the quarter.
Yeah.
This is the end of the third quarter scores brought to you by GameX Sports. The kick out. Kalahat. Short. Josh Flores inside. 5 seconds of shot clock. Elorde has to create. Nico. Yes. What a shot, Nico Elorde. 3 on the way. Short. Gets his own miss. Hoson.
Oh boy.
Enzo Hoson. Side they go to Cervantes. Manlangit. 3.
There you go.
My. Oh my. Nowhere to go. Out to Junicio. Free ball. Short. Rebound to Mapig. Layup. Good.
Yan yung mga intangibles na
The
minimension.
low block.
Yeah, they've been milking that.
Baseline jumper. Jammer Hamito.
Yun yung kanina pa nilang gustong gawin kay Jammer. But this time around, when they swung that ball over, Bunsubre...
Neruta gets a rebound. Basket and 1.
Well, that's just...
A 10-0 run. Neruta looking for a teammate. Nakuha ni Flores. Nabitawan pa. Steal. Hoson will score. Turnover. Flores. Layup is good.
Yeah. Of Caloocan.
And yun na nga. Tapos na ang ating laban dito. Mainit ang laban. But nonetheless, South Cotabato coming